How do you pair a set of pieces with a chessboard such that the look is suitable, the pieces are not too crowded, not too sparse, they're a good fit? Well, there are some published standards and a few tips, and if you follow them, this process is easy. The primary measurements of chess pieces are the king height, and for the chessboard, the overall board size. However, for pairing these up, we want to focus on, first of all, the king base dimension and the square size. Now, this kind of precision is not necessary. This is. I've chosen these three sets for this illustration: a 3 3/4 inch club series set, a 3 7/8 inch executive, and 4 1/4 inch professional. Notice the different sizing on these squares, which are 2 1/4 inch. The base should be about 0.78 of the square size. Or, in another case, if you have a 1.5 inch base, you'll have a 2 inch square. A 1.75 inch base would have a 2 1/4 inch square. This guideline comes from the USCF Rules of Chess, and it's a good and helpful guideline for Staunton pattern pieces. So how would you calculate this? You would take a piece, measure the base, roughly 1.75 inches. 1 3/4 inches is 1.75. Divide by 0.78 and see a square size of 2.24 inches. Now in reverse, you could say I have a square of 2.25 inches. Just multiply that times 0.78 and you'll see a suitable base size of 1.75 inches. That is for this piece right here, which I recommend for this size board. The club style pieces are excellent as well. Will have a bit more of a sparse appearance, but are very suitable. And the professional here is a bit more crowded, but still very suitable. The same would apply with wood pieces on a wood chessboard, still of a Staunton style. In this case, I have a 2 inch square. These pieces are 1 5/8 inch. I've replaced that hardwood chessboard with a 2 1/4 inch square instead with the same pieces. You could use these pieces. However, I recommend a slightly larger base, such as these Grandmaster pieces. This base is almost 1 3/4 inches, which is suitable for a 2 1/4 inch square. Those are some guidelines that you can use to calculate either a suitable size board for your pieces or pieces for your board. How do you pair a set of pieces with a chessboard such that the look is suitable, the pieces are not too crowded, not too sparse, they're a good fit? Well, there are some published standards and a few tips, and if you follow them, this process is easy. The primary measurements of chess pieces are the king height,